Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. It's Baird. Gregor Speaks. Just a quick post today. I got a lot going on. I have a memorial to go to in a matter of like 1 hour. So I wanted to get this out of the way and just say hello. Do my little weekly post at the end of the week. A few things going on this week. Rounding out the third week of LGBTQ+ History Month. I was pleased to see here in Chicago the LGBTQ+ Hall of Fame. Some people that are on there that I know are being inducted on November 6th. So I'm hoping to volunteer for that event. I'm hoping. Anyway, coming up this week, I got some stuff going on. I'm hoping to visit a haunted house on Friday. We'll see what happens. And then Saturday, I'm going with my best friend. Yep, Rob. We're going to go see the new Frankenstein movie on Saturday. And he's got something planned on Sunday at a cemetery where they're playing music and candlelight and who knows what. So I need to put the good energy out there so I don't get haunted. So that's what's happening in my world. I hope you're well. I know everybody's really stressed out what's going on with the government and part of the White House being torn down for a ballroom. Don't get me started on that, please. So anyway, gotta remain positive, be resistant, look up, be positive in our community, reach out to your neighbor across the street, to your left, to your right, and take care of yourself. So I will see you on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend ahead. Remember, it's 1 week from Friday is Halloween. So get your outfit planned. Putting some little treats and stuff out along with another neighbor here in my building for everybody starting tomorrow for a week. So, and girl, candy is expensive. Whew. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on Monday. Take care.